Spear SP-TW180 3000W180 bar pressure washer with carbon brush motor auto stop for cars, bikes, home. Powerful cleaning performance auto stop system. Effortlessly remove dirt and grime, and with a flow rate of 5 liters per minute and a speed of 2800 rpm, the Spear SP-TW180 delivers exceptional cleaning power without sacrificing efficiency. Long-lasting durability. The Spear SP-TW180 is powered by a powerful carbon brush motor that's built to last. Easy to use. The Spear SP-TW180 is also easy to use thanks to its corded electric design. Includes car washer gun. For added convenience, the Spear SP-TW180 includes a car washer gun that's specifically designed for cleaning vehicles.